Happy New Year! Kung mayroong senaryo tungkol kay Maria bilang ina ng Diyos na tumagos sa aking puso, ito ay yung nung nandun siya sa paanan ng krus. Tapos, while listening to the prophecy of Simeon, isa pa, yung Mary in the manger. Alam ni Maria na Diyos ang kanyang dinala sa sinapupunan at iniluwal sa sabsaban. But still, she continued to ponder and keep everything in her heart. Ito siguro ang secret ng mga ina. Whether our biological mothers or spiritual mothers, they know well how to keep all these things in their hearts. And the magnanimity of their love is able to embrace both the joys and sufferings alang-alang sa kanilang mga mahal na anak. Let us imitate the love of Mary, our mother. G ka ba?